Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Facts about Forensic. So in today's video I will be telling you about Punjab Police recruitment notification that has recently released, and you all have seen the post in like various forensic Instagram channels. And if you haven't seen, you can go to my channel and you can see the post, and my channel is facts underscore about underscore forensic. So in this channel I will be telling you all about the notification, and if you have any doubt you can DM me on Instagram or you can comment down below. Okay, so this is like first page of our notification that has released by Punjab Police, and it says Punjab Police recruitment of civilian support staff forensics. So basically this is for forensic people, and it is a very big opportunity who want to pursue forensics, as it is one start which is taken up by Punjab Police, and in the same way other state police will be doing this. So forensic people, stay tuned, your time is coming. So basically this job or this post will be like you will be able to apply soon. This is the only notification, and the opening of the form or opening of application will be released on their official website and also on the newspaper. And the expected date of written examination is September 2021. So you have to prepare from now only to if you want to give that test. The test will be computer based and it is of 2 hours, and the questions are 100 questions, multiple choice questions. Remember, and please focus on this, that there will be negative marking which will be 1 by 4th. Okay, the age eligibility is you should have minimum age of 18 years and maximum age is 37 years. Okay, there is no requirement of minimum height. There will be no physical test or trials. Okay, it is not like other SSC examination, it is just a civilian support staff forensic. Okay, so there will be two posts which have been released by Punjab Police, which are forensic officer and assistant forensic officer. The pay scale for forensic officer will be 29,200 and the number of posts are 24. The pay scale for assistant forensic science officer will be 25,500 and the number of posts are 150. So, if we talk about the eligibility criteria of the post, the forensic officer must have bachelor's degree in forensic science or any other equivalent field from a central or state government recognized university. It is compulsory that the if you are applying for forensic officer post, you must have 7 years of experience, and if you are applying for assistant forensic officer post, then you must have a bachelor degree in forensic science or equivalent degree, and you must have 2 years of working experience. Okay, remember this, the experience is very important. Next we have syllabus. So the total marks is 100, total time is 120 minutes or 2 hour, and the syllabus is given as fundamental of forensic science, crime scene management, physical evidence, forensic ballistics, forensic serology and forensic biology, DNA fingerprinting, forensic chemistry, biometrics and its application in investigation, advances in forensic science, field level forensic tools, forensic anthropology, post-mortem, and introduction of forensic medicine. Next will be body offenses, traffic accidents, sexual offenses, toxicology, forensic statistics, psychological techniques in forensic science, computer forensic. The language is English and Punjabi. Like you will get a reading comprehension or you can get a translation also. Then is general awareness, which basically needs current affairs and history and culture of India. Quantitative aptitude, which you all know that comes in every examination. Mental and logical ability, so you need to test for this. And the syllabus of forensic is like whole syllabus you have studied in bachelor's or masters. If you are bachelor's in forensic science, or if you are master's in forensic science, you must have studied all this. So you have to revise, start revising right now. This was whole about the video. Thank you very much and stay tuned for next video.